people, and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. Today we have an order from Rossi. So three different, they feel like bricks. Three different bricks came in from Rossi. And you know how they do a box inside of a box inside of a box. Honestly, you guys, it was so long ago that I ordered this. I have no idea. I do live in Germany, and it takes Rossi forever to get stuff to me. So it is just what it is, and I'm patient when I order from their American site. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the wrapping so that you guys can see the boxes inside. So now we have 3 cardboard boxes. This looks, I think these two may be dip powder sets, maybe. And I wanna say I ordered a gel polish set, so maybe that's what this is. Let's do that one last. Okay, let's get into the first, yep, it's a glam powder. So, this is a dip kit, and I will open that for you in just a minute, and I bet this one is also a dip kit. Let's have a little look-see. In my new house, my new nail room is very echoey, echoey, echoey. So yes, this is a glam powder box as well. So we will dive into those in just a minute. Okay, I feel like maybe this is a gel polish. You guys, I just remembered one of these is a glow-in-the-dark kit. The dip powder kit. I'm almost positive of it. So inside here, we have a gel polish kit. This is my first gel polish kit from Rossi, so I'm kind of excited about it. I think I ordered some maybe reds or neutrals. I don't know. Let's open it and let's see what's inside. They do have these cards inside for $10 off. If you want to try to use it, go ahead, but never works for me. Well, actually, I haven't tried it yet, but it never works for anybody on the Rossi site. So I'm on their Facebook community, and a lot of times it doesn't work. So give it a try, you guys. We heart you. I have about 20 cards with the same code on it, so give it a whirl. Okay, let me open up these boxes, and then we'll see what's inside. Drum roll, please. I took the plastic off this glam box, the dip powder kit, and let's open it up and see. You guys, if this is the order that had the glow-in-the-dark stuff, I'll be glad I didn't do my nails. I don't know what kit this is. As soon as I know what kit it is, I will put it up in the side somewhere for you. Look at that pink, you guys. Oh, maybe this is the one that I got that had the tiara. I didn't have tiara, and apparently everybody loves the tiara. I do feel like maybe I have 1 or 2 copies in here. Let's get into each one of these and have a look. And with the magic of camera, here we have it. So this color is called Cotton. It's a pinky color. You would think that it would be white, but it's not. This one is Home. I don't think I got any duplicates. And this one was, as I suspected, it's Tiara. Then we've got Thank You Next and London. And we've also got From Paris with Love. I will show you guys some swatches of those in just a little bit, but let's go ahead and get into our next one. I'm telling you, I think it's the glow-in-the-dark one. So let's open up the next dip powder kit. Come on, be bright neon. I believe in you. Oh yes, you guys, I'm pretty sure this is the glow-in-the-dark kit. I'm so excited. This is gonna be so fun. I don't even know which one I'm gonna choose. It's gonna be so amazing. Okay, so let me do a little camera magic work and get all these out of the boxes for you. Here we have some glow-in-the-dark colors. I cannot wait. I think I haven't done anything crazy in a while, so I'm probably gonna do the yellow or the green or maybe this peachy pink color. So let's go over the names real quick. This is our peachy pink neon. And then we've got Ooh La La, and there is a label underneath this, and there's also a label underneath the mint chip, and I don't know exactly what it says, but it's the same underneath both, but whatever. Then we've got Touch the Sky and Limelight. Ooh, it might have to be lime. I don't know. Anyway, and we also have Chameleon. So those are those, and I will certainly do some swatches of those in just a wee little bit for you. Now, I am very curious about these gel polish colors, and I really want to do the dip powder manicure, but I also really want to try their gel polish. Okay. So yeah, so you probably won't be able to see what colors they are. No, you can't tell anything from the outside of the box. So we'll give a quick look at those after I get all of these out of the boxes. So this is an interesting mix of colors, and I'm not really sure what the theme of this one was, but I mean, I like all these colors. I just don't see how they go together, but whatever. Anyway, this one looks to be like a dark red and with some sparkles in it, and a beautiful, like a pinky, almost verging into the purple zone. This one is not a very dense glitter, but a purple glitter. Pretty blue glitter. And then I think I like this color. This is like a champagne with glitter in it. And then a light pink. So I'm excited. I'll do some swatches of those for you as well. And I'll probably be doing a review later of these for the gel polishes. Since I haven't had those before, it would be a good time to do that. So let me get some swatches to you real quick. I'll just show one of these and then I will go through the rest on my own. So I'm going to open up this pretty pink color, and I like the rings. I don't know how well they're going to fit on here, so let's just double check that they fit. Oh, they do. That's a nice fit. So I like to use these in my collection, and I just paint them and then I put them under the light. Oh, it is thick. I guess I didn't expect it to be so thick. And I've got a hair on my... How'd that happen? Okay. It's thick, but it's not opaque on the first coat. Maybe that's just this color. Kind of streaky too. Okay, I will go ahead and bake that, and then I'll show you what they all look like after one go through. Okay, the first thing I want to say is that the bottle is really nice. So you get a glimpse of the color, and it's a pretty good rendition of what the color actually is. Also, it's like a glass bottle, so it's nice and heavy, and it's it just feels like it's really good quality. With that said, the contents are very thick and gloopy. Not a super fan of that. So anyway, I'll show you another one here in a moment. But here's the first three that I want to show you. Those colors ended up nice, quite nice actually, once they cured. They do cure tacky, FYI. So let's look at the other three real quickly. And then I always do two swatches, 2 coats on my swatches. So you can see this purple glitter is very gloopy. This pink was not only gloopy, it was grainy. And then this blue was super gloopy. Super gloop. I mean, super gloop. It was difficult to put on. Let's go ahead and show you what I mean by that. It was difficult. And you guys, I have bought me some cheap gel polish, and they've been totally fine. And I've bought some expensive ones that have done this, and I've bought some cheap ones that have done this, and it's really just not my favorite consistency to work with. It's really difficult to get it level and even. On the upside, this does look like it's leveling quite nicely, even though it was super gloopy. So, I mean, I did get a really good sale. I'll put up in the comments somewhere, maybe, if I can find how much I paid for it, I will. But yeah, that's what I'm experiencing. I'll show you what they look like after I have all the swatches done. So here is the whole set after 2 coats and a top coat. I think these two are my favorite. This one I really like. Oh, hey, they have names. I didn't even know. So let's have a look at the names. The dark red glitter was Magic Spell. I'm so used to the gel polishes because I buy them usually so cheap. They normally don't have names. This one is Glow, and I love it. The next one is Pink Cupcake. And we have Glisten, Pixie Dust, very nice. And then the blue glitter was called Girl Talk. Okay, so that's our gel polishes. So stay tuned for a review on those. Now I will show you the swatches of the dip powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch them, and then we'll talk about them afterwards. Okay, I get the hype now about the Tiara color. So this is Tiara, and it doesn't look anything like this pinky color It's just this really pretty mauvey, glittery, yummy color. So I get the hype now. It's really, really pretty. It's even better in person than it is on any pictures that I've seen. Another color that I really love was this Thank You Next. It's very like a purpley, burgundy, red, more of a purple than a red. It's just really pretty. And then of course, you know, they got to throw in that random nude, and that's Home. There's that one. And this is the Cotton color. And that one did have a little bit of a sparkle. This one was from Paris with Love. And we have this really pretty London, like a royal blue color. I love that. So that was actually a pretty good set. Now off to the super wonderful, I can't wait to do them neon colors. I wanted to show you guys this because I thought it was way cool. Watch the one all the way on the right. It's actually purple. It's not green at all. So these are totally gonna glow in the dark. I can't wait. Here are the swatches for our glow in the dark neon set. Wow, you guys, these are so cool. Limelight. And they are this one, they're pretty much see-through. The only ones that are not see-through is this color, and that's Chameleon. Up here, the blue was Touch the Sky. This color was Oh La La, Ooh La La. And this is the one that looked green when you put it under the light. This one was Peachy Pink. And this one's Mint Chip. So, I'm going to turn out some lights and see if we can't get them to glow in the dark. Yay, glow in the dark. Okay, here we go. I'm going to turn out the lights and we'll see what happens. Well, I guess I didn't turn on all the lights. Wow. Okay, this is pretty cool. I am super pleased, I am super happy, and I can't wait to try them. I kind of wished that this peachy pink was a little bit more vibrant, but it isn't. Okay, let me turn on some lights again, and then we'll see what colors did. So this color did, the Chameleon color did really well. Like really well. That kind of makes sense, it's Chameleon. I was kind of hoping that this peachy pink would do better. So, maybe I'm gonna try one of these on my next manicure. Anyway, that's what I got for you guys today. So we had 2 Glam Powder Kits, we had a gel polish kit, and I do like Rossi's stuff. I'm not a super fan of everything that they have, but I do like their dip powders, and I will be letting you know how I like the gel polish as well. Okay guys, until we meet again, I hope you decorate every nail you got. Bye!